Molle by the Sea was designed by Elding Oskarsson Architects and is located just north of the city of Helsingborg in Skåne, southern Sweden. The exclusive building stands in the residential area of Molle, which dates back to the previous century and was originally a holiday resort. The area features eccentric and experimental architecture from the first half of the 20th century, although the trend has since become more conservative. As far as the client and the architects are concerned, the ambition in Molle was to reawaken the dormant architectural traditions of the area and bring them into our modern age. The volume has been kept low with no plinth or pitched roof. The terraced plot faces towards the Strait of Öresund, the strait between Sweden and Denmark. The usual approach of having all the views facing in the same direction is not a convention embraced by this building. The plot was considered to have other attractions to enjoy, including stone and brick walls, plants, and an old outdoor cellar. The ground floor is fully glazed, with the structural frame comprising slender steel posts. The upper floor has a more traditional wooden frame, but the facade is clad in large format planks of Douglas fir, which lend the building much of its character. The solid horizontal planks contrast with the transparent glass membrane that envelops the ground floor. The shape of the building divides the plot up into different rooms. The design also breaks up the volume of the building, making the exterior difficult to appreciate as a single entity. It looks monumentally striking from certain angles and more intimate from others. Molle by the Sea was nominated for the Swedish Wood Award in 2016.